So friends, this year Apple is expected to introduce a new ultra slim iPhone model, the iPhone 17 Air, and this model will likely replace the Plus variant, bringing something new and unique to the iPhone 17 series. While reports surrounding the iPhone 17 Air and its slimness may excite buyers, the smartphone will likely come with several trade-offs. Some of the compromises could include a single rear camera, no physical SIM slot, a single speaker. However, one of the most talked about worries for the iPhone 17 Air is the battery life and whether Apple will compromise on battery size to maintain the desired seamless. Well, several analysts and industry experts such as Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and Ming Chu Kuo have showed little enthusiasm surrounding iPhone 17 Air battery life. Therefore, while the iPhone 17 Air may compromise on a few features, battery life may not be a major concern due to these two crucial factors. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to have a 5.5 mm thickness, making it the slimmest iPhone ever. However, with this amount of slimness, the smartphone could come with several compromises. However, reports suggest that the iPhone 17 Air will not trade off the battery life for slimness, as Apple is expected to bring two major changes to the hardware. According to Mark Gurman, the iPhone 17 Air will likely feature a redesigned display and silicone components that claim to enhance the smartphone's efficiency, resulting in less power consumption. On the other hand, it will likely come equipped with high-density battery cells that will provide more battery capacity to the smartphone, despite being slimmer or compact in size, although there are very limited details surrounding the new battery cells. Therefore, reports suggest that these two additions could ensure lasting performance without any major compromises on the battery life. And another factor for boosting battery life could be the addition of Apple's new C1 chip, which currently powers the iPhone 16e model. This new 5G modem has proven to consume less battery, resulting in increased battery life for the affordable iPhone model. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.